Well, our first lot of rain for the new year. Yeah. Look over here, Trev. Not over there. Here. And it's Monday, 2nd of January. And it's raining. Our first rain for the year. Yeah. So far. And Happy New Year too, as well. So, first and start of a new day. Start of a new week. Start of a new week for the new year. Yeah. So, it's morning and I've got to go and pick up Peter because we're going out. We're supposed to be going to Cobram today, over to Cobram. Go to the strawberry, big strawberry today. And it looks like it's going to rain all the way. So, look, it's only light rain. We've had a thunderstorm. It's just cracked before, so it's passed over. That's okay. I don't think it's going to be strenuous. It'll pass over. So I hope you're having a great day. I hope you had a great weekend over the new year festivities, and taking the old year out and the new year in. Of course, we're taking the old year out, fireworks with a bang, and now the new year in with a bang of the thunderstorm. It's not thundering now, might be lightly, but it's passing over. But I think this is going to be raining, so it's still humid. So we're just going to stick to our plan, go to the big strawberry. We'll do our best with this weather. Where am I? Look at that, we've got a big fish behind me. Right here in Tocumwal. That's where I am. Yes. It's only a small town. Real fishing town. So get your rods and start fishing. So we're going to have a bit of a look around here a bit. We had lunch and we had a pouring rain before. So, you know. Oh, yeah, right here in Tocumwal. This is the foreshore of Tocumwal, and it is overcast. It's not raining at the moment, but we struck a lot of rain on the way, and it rained. It was heavy when we got here. So we had lunch, and now it's not raining. It's just nice. It's still humid, and a few people are fishing on the river. This is the Murray River, the mighty Murray River. And when we had the floods back in October and November, I think, this water would have been over my head. Yeah. There was a big flood here. And yeah, it was absolute. So it's all gone down now. So yeah, hope we don't get any more flood here in the Murray River. Anyway, going back to the car now, heading for Yarrawonga. Now, we'd just come back home from Tocumwal. We had a good day, good trip, and I was a bit disappointed with that the big strawberry at Kunamu wasn't opened. So well, it's just one of those things. So we'll go there another weekend for lunch at the big strawberry. So the weather wasn't very kind when we got there anyway. So anyway, so we pushed on to Tocumwal, which is just over the Murray River, going into the New South Wales border, and we had a bit of lunch at a small cafe there, and then well, actually the rain stopped after we finished. I guess that's my Christmas tree still up. I've got to get that down today. Yeah, so anyway, and I'm going to finish this vlog, and I'll catch you next week sometime, and enjoy the rest of your week and the coming weekend. So yeah, great harmony, peace, bye. You never know what I get up to next. Bye. Now the quickest way to pull down the Christmas tree is like this.